Oakley PRIZM is a line of high-quality, color-enhancing lenses that fine-tune vision. But how do they work? And are they worth the price point? Stay tuned to learn all about the technology and all the options, so you can buy exactly what you need. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fuse channel. I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. And we're based in sunny Clearwater, Florida, and we specialize in lens technology and performance sunglasses. And Oakley is actually one of our favorite brands. We've cut thousands of replacement lenses for Oakley frames. And you can learn more about their brand in this video, linked below. But just know that when it comes to Oakley, we really know our stuff. So let's get right into it, starting with the basics. Oakley PRIZM is a pioneer in the sphere of color enhancing or HD high contrast lenses. They're performance lenses that filter the light spectrum using sport specific dyes, which increases contrast and performance for different activities and lighting conditions. Now you can learn more about how color enhancing technology works in this video. Now they've offered over 30 different lenses in the PRIZM line over the years, including tints designed for specific activities. There's PRIZM Sport, Snow, and everyday lines, and an additional tint specific to gaming. So Sport includes color enhancing lenses for running and hiking, golf, cycling, basically any activity that you can imagine, and they start at $151. Then, since snow sports are really in a league of their own, the goggles in their PRIZM Snow line start at $131. Then, there are two options in the everyday line, a bronze and a gray base, with the lowest price starting at $130. Now keep in mind, these are the prices for the most basic PRIZM models. If you add a customization or two, and you're quickly surpassing $200, $300, or even $400 for just one pair. Now, all of their PRIZM lenses have 100% UV protection as well, and the UV coating is built in, so it can't be scratched off. We know that color enhancing technology increases color contrast, depth perception, and they can even decrease reaction time, which you can learn more about in our pickleball sunglass video. But not all color enhancing lenses block glare, which can significantly impact sports performance and everyday eye comfort. So are PRIZM lenses also polarized? Well, it's complicated. Some of the models are and some aren't. Plus, not all the ones that are polarized are available in every Oakley frame. Right now, PRIZM lenses like deep water and shallow water are already polarized. And options like Road Jade and 24K can have polarization as an add-on. It's almost always a good idea to wear polarized lenses, except in low light when you're looking at a screen, or for activities like golf, where glare can actually be helpful in seeing the trajectory of the ball. Now this is why a lot of PRIZM options are not polarized. Now for more info, watch our video about the difference between color enhancing and polarized lenses, and our playlist about the best sunglasses and lenses for outdoor activities. Here at Fuse, our color enhancing lenses can have polarization added, but more on us in a bit. So overall, are PRIZM lenses worth it? The fact is, Oakley makes great state-of-the-art lenses. Their manufacturing practices are top-notch, and their lenses last a long time. They also have an incredible selection of hundreds of frames for every activity under the sun, and a lot of truly iconic styles. But if the price point is simply out of your budget, consider other options. But can you get reasonably priced HD lenses that are equal to Oakley's quality? The answer is yes. If you're looking for an affordable, top-tier PRIZM alternative, Fuse has your back. Fuse amp lenses are designed using patented AI color enhancing technology. They provide the same level or even better color enhancement than our competitors, Oakley, for a fraction of the price. Amp starts at just $59 for a pair of lenses, and most are also polarized. Plus, like Oakley, we even offer our color enhancing amp technology for our prescription wearers too. And you can get $5 off at fuselenses.com/YouTube using the link in the description. Now, we currently offer 6 amp options, and we'll be adding more soon. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to be the first to hear about our new releases. But you might be thinking, oh man, I have Oakley frames that I really love and I want HD lenses, but I guess I have to pay a premium to get a whole new pair of sunglasses with PRIZM lenses. Nope, that's where Fuse comes in. We make affordable replacement lenses for any brand and almost any model, including hundreds of Oakley frames. No need to pay full price for Oakley to replace your lenses. Just replace your lenses with the latest color enhancing technology for $59. And that price includes a lifetime warranty, so you know you're getting the biggest bang for your buck. Now learn more about how to replace your Oakley lenses in this video, linked below. along with the other videos I mentioned. But if you want an Oakley frame style without paying Oakley prices, we've also got you covered. You can choose from any of our sporty, casual, or trendy frame styles that are all super affordable. Say you were interested in the Oakley valve frames because of their lightweight design and their grippy nose pads. You could pay over $200 to get those frames with prism lenses. Or you could spend $74.99 on fuse and coat frames that have spring hinges and rubberized nose pads, including amp lenses. Now that's a more than 260% price difference for extremely similar, high-quality shades. Now, if this video helped you decide if prism lenses are for you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.